Open Houses Direct and Open House Masters. Open Houses Direct is the first mobile app and website that gives you a tool that can capture a valid name and phone number for every single visitor who comes into your open house. This is a way to run a safer open house for both you and your seller. It is also a way for you to capture a valid name and phone number for follow-up. We can't follow up with consumers unless we have valid contact information in order to follow up with them. Open Houses Direct is a mobile app and a website on Apple, Android, tablet, or your laptop that you can create a guest book to check in all visitors with a name and a phone number. And Open House Masters is the course that teaches you how to do it and how to follow up with these leads to turn them into clients. Open House Masters and Open Houses Direct. For more information on Open House Masters, go to OpenHouseMasters.com. And for more information on Open Houses Direct, go to OpenHouseMasters.com and click on Open Houses Direct. Hope to visit you soon.